Good morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss about some problem related to the matrix. Here, question number 1. The product of matrices A cos square theta cos theta sin theta cos theta sin square theta and B matrix B cos square phi sin phi cos phi sin phi and sin square phi is a null matrix. A and B is a null matrix. Then we have to show that theta minus phi equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2 where n belongs to Z. Now solution here. Here A and B, the product of matrix A and B is a null. First of all, we calculate the product of matrix A and B. A and B equal to here A equal to cos square theta sin theta and this is a cos theta sin theta and this is a sin square theta. Matrix A into matrix B. B is a cos square phi sin phi and here cos phi sin phi and sin square phi. Now first of all calculate the product of A and B here row by column method. Row by column method here. This is equal to row by column method cos square theta cos square phi row by column method plus cos theta sin theta cos phi and sin phi. Now row by column method here in this case cos square theta cos phi sin phi plus this row by column method, the product of this cos theta sin theta and sin square phi. Now here row by column method, product of this and this, so the product of this cos theta sin phi cos theta sin phi into cos square cos theta sin theta into cos square phi plus sin square theta and cos phi sin phi and row by column method here product of this and this is cos theta sin phi cos theta sin theta cos theta sin theta into cos phi sin phi plus sin square theta sin square phi. Now here we take the common in this case cos theta sin phi, cos theta and cos phi, cos theta cos phi here remain cos theta cos phi plus in this case sin theta, in this case here cos theta, in this case cos theta and cos phi, cos theta and cos phi, sin theta and sin phi, sin theta and sin phi. Here in this case do by column method cos square theta cos square theta cos square phi plus cos theta sin theta cos phi and sin phi. This is a phi. Now we take common in this case, in this case cos theta, take the common cos theta here, so that in this case sin phi, we take common sin phi and sin phi and cos theta sin phi, cos theta sin phi, here cos theta and sin phi, cos theta cos phi, cos theta cos phi, cos theta common and one sin phi common, so that sin theta and sin phi. Now in this case we take common here sin theta cos phi, sin theta cos phi here, sin theta and cos phi, cos theta cos phi, cos theta cos phi plus sin theta and sin phi. In this case here, in this case here sin theta sin phi, take common sin theta sin phi, so the sin theta sin phi, cos theta cos phi and sin theta sin phi. Now we apply the formula here, cos A minus B equal to cos A minus B equal to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. We apply this formula here, cos A minus B. In this case here cos theta cos phi, and in this case cos theta minus phi. Also here cos theta sin phi, and this is a cos theta minus phi. In this case sin theta cos phi, and here cos theta minus phi. In this case sin theta sin phi and cos theta minus phi. Now here cos theta minus phi, in this case also cos theta minus phi, cos theta minus phi, so that this is equal to cos theta minus phi and matrix cos theta, cos phi, cos theta, sin phi, here sin theta, cos phi, here sin theta, sin phi. Now if AB is a null matrix, since AB is null matrix, so that AB equal to 0, it means that AB equal to 0, so that this is a also 0, imply that cos theta minus phi equal to 0. This implies that cos theta minus phi equal to cos pi by 2. It means that theta minus phi equal to 2n, equal to n pi plus pi by 2, n pi plus pi by 2. This is equal to here 2n plus 1 pi by 2, and here is a null matrix if theta minus phi equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2, 2n plus 1 pi by 2. Now proved. Here n belongs Z. Now question number 2 here. If A is a square matrix such that A square equal to A, then so that I plus A, identity matrix A plus A to the power q minus 7A equal to I. Now here given that A square equal to A, and we have to show that I plus A to the power 3 minus 7A equal to I. Now from the left hand side here, I plus A to the power q minus 7I, as we know that x plus y to the power whole cube equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy equals to x plus y, and it can be written as x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square. In this sense, we write here I plus a के पावर a cube, I cube plus here second cube and 3i square a plus 3ia square minus 7a. Now as we know that a square equal to a, here a square equal to a, here a cube, we multiply a, in this case a cube is equal to a square, and again a square equal to a, so that this is equal to a, and this is the identity matrix, so that this is equal to 3 into a, and this is a square equal to a, and I is the identity matrix, so that this is a 3a minus 7a. Here a 3a 4a, 3 7a, 7 and 7 cancel, that is equal to I. This is the right hand side here. Now question number 3. If A equal to I, matrix A equal to I minus I and I, and B equal to 1 minus 1 minus 1 1. Then A to the power 8 equal to, we have calculated the value of A to the power 8 here, equal to A 4AB 128B and C minus 128B and D minus 64. 100 here minus 64B. Now solution, we see this A equal to this and B equal to this. We multiply I here, so that this is I minus I and this, so that A is equal to IB. We can write A equal to I into B here. Now squaring this, A square equal to IB का whole square, I equal to under root, here I equal to under root minus 1, so that I square equal to minus 1 here. This is equal to minus B square, and now B square, B is here, B into B, we see this row by column methods, and we get 2 into B, so that B square equal to here 2 into B. Now A square equal to, in this case A square equal to minus 2B. This is equal to minus 2B, so that squaring again A to the power 4 equal to 2 to the 4B square, and B square replaced by 2B, 4 to the 8B, so that A to the power 4 equal to 8B, A to the power 4 equal to 8B. Now also we have to calculate 8 to the power 8, so that we again square this, A to the power 4 to the power 2 and 8B to the power 2, so that 8 that 64B square, and be putting the value of B square, that is 2B, so that 128B, and this is the answer B, 128B. Now we see another question here. Now here question of 42 minus 1 1 0 minus 3 4 into A equal to matrix minus 1 minus 8 minus 10 1 minus 2 minus 5 9 22 and 15. Then show that sum of all element of matrix A is 1. First of all, we have to calculate the matrix A here. Product of this is equal to this. Since the product of matrix is 3 cross 3, and the pre-multiplier of A is 3 cross 2, 3 cross 2 here, 3 cross 2 here, and resultant matrix 3 cross 3, so that this matrix will be 2 cross A, so that order of matrix A equal to 2 cross 3 here. Now let us write matrix A equal to 2 cross 3 and L, 2 row and 3 column, 1 row, 2 row and 3 column, 1, 2, 3, and their element will be here L, M, N, X, Y and Z. Now product of this and this is equal to this. Now here multiply this. Here row by column method, 2 into L, 2 into L plus 2 into L plus minus X, row by column method, 2L minus X 2l minus x. Now row by column method, 2m minus y. Row by column method, 2n minus z. Row by column methods, row by column L into 0, only L. Row by column method, only 1 m, this is 0 m. Row by column method, 1 into n, and 0 into z, 0. Now this here, row by column method, minus 3l plus 4x. Row by column method, minus 3m plus 4y. Row by column method, minus 3n plus 4z. This is equal to minus 1, minus 8, minus 10, 1, minus 2, minus 5, 9, 22 and 15. Here, now compare the element here. Value of L equal to 1. Comparing the element, here, comparing the element here, L equal to 1, L equal to 1, M equal to minus 2, M equal to minus 5, and this minus 3L plus 4x equal to 9, minus 3m plus 4y equal to 22, minus 3n plus 4z equal to 15 here. Now putting the value of L equal to 1 here, L is equal to 1, minus 3n minus 3n, 3 here, minus 3, and this comes here, this comes here, plus, so 4x equal to 9 and 3, 12, so that x is equal to 3, x equal to 3 here. Now in this case, m is equal to minus 2, so that 3 2 is 6 plus 6, so that 4y equal to 22 plus 6 minus 6, that is equal to 16, and y equal to 4, y equal to 4 in this case, and here n is equal to minus 5, that is a 15, 4z equal to 15, and this is a 5, 3 of 15 plus 15. Now this minus 3n plus 4z, this is equal to here, in this case this is equal to 15, so that n is equal to here, in this case n is equal to, this is a n is equal to plus, so that this is equal to minus, so that z equal to 0, putting this plus minus, so that for z equal to 15 minus 15 and z equal to 0. Now we have to calculate the value of L equal to 1, M equal to minus 2, N equal to minus 5, X equal to 3, Y equal to 4 and Z equal to 0. Now we have to calculate that the here in this case, so that sum of all element of matrix A is, so that matrix A is here, A is L M N, L M N, X Y Z, so that L equal to 1, M equal to minus 2, 1 minus 2 and N equal to minus 5, X equal to 3, Y equal to 4 and Z equal to 0. This is the putting the value of L, M, N, X, Y, Z, so that we have to calculate the sum of all element of matrix A, so that sum of all elements of matrix A equal to 1 plus minus 2 plus minus 5 plus 3 plus 4 plus 0. This is equal to 4, 3, 7, 1, 8 minus 7. This is equal to 1 and sum of all elements of matrix A is 1. Here 1 proved. Now take and now a question on 5 if A equal to 1 by root 3, 1 1 plus I, 1 minus I minus 1, then matrix A and conjugate of transpose of matrix A is equal to 0, I, minus I and 2I. Now solution of this. A is given here, A equal to 1 by root 3 and matrix 1, 1 plus I, 1 minus I and minus 1 here. Now transpose of A, एक पार्टी ट्रांसपोज मैट्रिक्स ऑफ ए, ट्रांसपोज मैट्रिक्स ऑफ ए, दिस इज इक्वल टू 1 by root 3 and we convert row into column. 1 row into 1 plus I and 1 minus I and minus 1. Now conjugate of transpose of A here, conjugate of transpose of A. Now A conjugate of transpose of A, conjugate of transpose, conjugate of transpose of A here, this is equal to 1 by root 3 and in this case if A plus I be any complex number, so that conjugate of this is A minus IB, it means that this sign will be changed and that we get the matrix that is a conjugate of matrix. Now here in this case 1 plus I and here 1 minus I and minus 1. Now then we have to show that this is equal to this A and conjugate of transpose of A equal to A is equal to this A is equal to this 1 by root 3 1 plus I and 1 minus I minus 1. This is equal to A and conjugate of transpose of A. This is equal to this 1 by root 3 and matrix 1 plus I. Here 1 minus I and minus 1. Now in this case 1 by root 3 and 1 by root 3 equal to 1 by 3, and we multiply this row by column methods. Row by column method 1 1 1 plus in this row by column method 1 1 1 plus this multiply this 1 plus I and 1 minus I. Row by column methods, so that 1 multiply this 1 plus I and this multiply this plus 1 plus I into minus 1. Row by column methods, this is 1 minus I and row by column methods 1 this and this multiply minus 1 plus I. Row by column method, this is 1 minus I into 1 plus I and this is a minus plus 1. Now here 1 by 3 A minus B plus A square minus B square 1 plus 1 minus I square. This is equal to, we multiply here minus 1, this is a minus 1 cancel and minus I cancel, so that this is equal to 0. This is I cancel 1 and this is also equal to 0 and this is a 1 minus I square plus 1 here. Now I equal to